Here we go. What's up, everybody? JJ Big Barn Auction Company. All right, we're here in the shop. Hailey's moving some things around. We've just had a consignor pull in. You guys have actually seen some stuff from this consignor before. I think some of you didn't believe me when I told you the stories from the consignor the last time. This is what we call our, what do we call it? 700-pound jewelry lady. It's our 800-pound jewelry lady. So what we're doing is a video. We're going out, and I'm here to show you the new truckload that we're bringing in. So here is the truckload. Okay, truckload. Believe it or not, it is all there. So what we're going to do is we're gonna take the phone back inside and set it on the table, and then that way you guys can see it as it's coming in. And away we go. All right, let me set this camera right, let's see, right there. I'm gonna bring it in, let me show it. Okay, antique collectible tins. It says Christmas on it. So there's going to be all kinds of Christmas stuff inside here. And I'm not making you do the whole thing, but I don't know what this is. Eco something. Oh, wow. Foot brush. Oh, bamboo wood stuff. Bamboo wood stuff. All right, so there's that. I hope you can see us. Am I seeing that? Check, check. All right, gotcha. All right, let me go get them. All right, show it on camera, just kind of a quick.
More Christmas.
Okay, big long tote full of Christmas decor, ribbons, lights, and a snap tote. And we will sell the tote too, but the tote will go to high bid.
Giant painting.
Alright, we got more wood stuff. This looks like a jewelry box, guys. Pretty cool. It's got a nice little inlay in the top of it. Cedar. That is very cool. Anyway, I can't look at it all right now, but there's going to be some really cool stuff, guys. China figurines fragile. China figurines fragile. They're all bubbled and put together. So we will show them to you later. Later. Look at here. Jewelry box. Full of jewelry. Full of jewelry. Full of jewelry. Did I say they were full of jewelry? This here is going to be gold, silver that we know of. Gold and silver that we know of. She said she has not checked it all, and we will go through it all. I say we will. What do we got here? Glass, bottles, and perfumes. Okay, all wrapped up. Glass bottles and perfumes. Glass collectibles. All wrapped up. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna run out of foot room. We got stuff in a Tulu bag. I don't know. So there's that. Looks like more Christmas, another box full of Christmas. We'll figure out what's in there. Geez, you're fast, really fast. Stuff in a black bag. We're not gonna pull that out. Make sure and raise that up just a hair bit more. All right. All right. Box of miscellaneous jewelry. Do a sneak peek. Look at this. I mean, it's just packed full. Box of miscellaneous jewelry. Sneak peek. Packed full. Miscellaneous and Christmas. Single earrings. Single earrings. I will ask her what that means. The box is full. Holy crap. Craft jewelry. Single earrings. Rings, charms, pendants, and belts. Holy crap. Craft jewelry. This thing's loaded. Box full of rings. Jewelry, craft, broken, earrings, pairs. So that must mean the singles are singles. But if you buy all the singles, you could make a double. Hey, on the I got you. I just wanted to make sure I understood what you was talking about. Okay. Oh, so Haley brought a box. So we got earrings, pairs. I'm not even going to open it up. We got mugs and glassware. Box full of stuff. Here, I'll show. Look at this. I mean, just full packed hair accessories. Watch it. Oh my God. Look at that. Watches. I have no idea. Noro clip. Oh, Haley is. Oh my goodness. Gotta get a new box for that. Go ahead. New jewelry. So it's probably jewelry still on cards or something. We got place card holders, houses. Huh. Oh, for like dinner settings. All right, so here we go. We got place card holders, so that would be right up in there. So again, all of this right here, all of that. So far, all of that. Oh, here comes another one. Go right there. Glass collectibles. Have no earthly idea. Glass collectibles. I mean, it could be anything, guys. Could be absolutely anything. Holy molies. All right, where'd you go? That one there? Okay, Asian. It's marked Asian collectibles. Okay. Oh, wow. We'll dive into that. That one is unmarked. Oh, jewelry. More jewelry. Go ahead. Metal stands. Metal stands. Ooh, that looks kind of cool. So we'll see what that is. Okay. Oh my gosh, this box is heavy. And it's a little box. Box is heavy, it's a little box. Come over here, come over here, come over here. Miscellaneous jewelry, and it's loaded. It's loaded. It is so heavy. Oh my gosh, guys. Metal collectibles. What do we got in here? Oh my gosh, this is going to be so fun to go through. So fun to go through. Look at the peacock. Look at the peacock. We got to pull that down. Hang on. Hang on, hang on, hang on. Oh, that is sweet. Look at that. Look at that. That is amazing. Come on over here. We got wearable jewelry, and it is heavy. Holy crap, guys. Wearable necklaces. Holy sheesh. Holy crap. Haley's doing all the work. You want to talk to him? You can talk to him. Here, I'll go get it. Bangles and bracelets. Whole box of bangles. And holy crap. Miscellaneous jewelry bags. It's a miscellaneous. She even marked miscellaneous jewelry bag. Holy crap. Let's go see what we got. I got to help Haley out. She's carrying it all in. Yeah. Hey, I'll holler at you. All right. Glass collectibles. We'll go through it. Wearable. I mean, just holy crap. Is that it? No more? Go ahead and just wearable jewelry, earrings, watches, more watches. Let's go. Holy crap. And then the rest of this here. Earrings, wearable earrings, jewelry, craft jewelry. She marked it broken. I don't know. Hell, there could be some expensive stuff in there. You never know. And then earrings, okay. So we got this. And just so you know, they just pulled out. They did not want to be on camera. I said, no problem. So we didn't put them on camera. But I mean, y'all want jewelry? Y'all want jewelry? Did y'all want jewelry? Did y'all? Oh, and you want help carrying this last thing? You mean you didn't want to carry it by yourself?
No.
Huh? She didn't want to carry it by herself. Come on. Oh! You want to carry, can we carry both?
No.
No? It's that heavy? Oh shit, it is.
Told you.
Holy crap. All right, hold on. All right, oh my gosh. Guys, this has got to be what, 60? No, it's got to be more than 60.
You can pick up 60.
I want to weigh it just to know, go that way. No, the scale's not big enough. Holy crap.
I'm just sitting right there.
All right, here we go. Back to the next one.
The next one's worse.
The next one's worse in weight. Holy crap. Holy crap. Look at this. Hold on. Tilt. Oh my gosh, you're right. It is heavier. You got it? Oh, it is.
I told you.
Jeez. We may have hit. Watch your elbow. We may have hit more.
I don't like going backwards. I can barely walk forwards.
All right, just swing it for now. Holy crap, y'all. Preview. All of this, everything on the table, and everything piled up right here. Holy crap, y'all. Give us a thumbs up, give us a like, give us a share from JJ, Haley, Teresa, the Big Barn family. We'll see you guys later. Stay tuned. Coming to a location near you. Bye-bye.